Hi, welcome to my channel. I have always wanted to say that this is my very first YouTube video. I have a really exciting project for today. I'm going to be taking my IKEA Besta units that are currently a window seat in my office and transforming them into a lowboard for my living room. I got these Besta units in the winter and made a little corner reading nook. I thought this was going to be my craft corner. I wanted to sew there. I had such big dreams and hopes for this corner, and it is just not how I ended up functioning within my space. I think I sat on it one time and I'm ready to give it new life and actually use it and like it. I'm gonna head over to Home Depot to pick up the molding. It looked more like a custom piece of furniture. So let's go. I picked up 3 pieces of trim. I looked for one that just had some bevel detail on it. I actually had to take the bus back home, so I went over to the cutting center and just sawed all of these in half so that they were more transportable. First thing I'm gonna do is take off these doors because we're gonna replace them with new doors that I got from IKEA that are just completely plain so we can put molding on it and create our own detail. I have 2 layers of primer on all of the Besta units now, so I'm going to let these dry and go over and cut the molding.
For the molding, we'll cut 16 pieces of trim, 2 long and 2 short per drawer. To cut the corners, we'll make 45-degree cuts. Using a miter saw is easiest, but if you don't have one, I'll show you how to use a miter box, which is the manual and much cheaper option. To make your life easier, secure the box down by screwing it into a piece of wood, and make sure the wood is clamped down so nothing is moving. I also clamped down the trim pieces to avoid movement and ensure even cuts. If you accidentally cut in the wrong direction or cut it too short, it just ends up being so much more work, so just go slow. Your cuts won't all end up exactly perfect if you're doing this by hand, but the goal is to get pairs of cuts that are as similar to each other as possible to keep the frame square. I just made sure I had matching sets of short and long trim pieces for each of the drawers. Now it's time to head back over to the Besta units and paint them.
Everything is now painted and covered in a layer of polyurethane, so now I'm going to assemble the doors and then we can work on adding the molding detail. I'm just going to use a double-sided heavy-duty tape to attach these to the fronts. If all of my cuts are accurate, I should just place them all an inch out. The final step is adding new legs. I got these round legs from Pretty Pegs. Pretty Pegs makes these so that you can buy it with the hardware that goes for your specific IKEA unit, or you can get universal hardware, which I think just means drilling into anything. So because I'm going to be combining 2 units together, I got 4 with the Besta specific hardware to go on the ends, and then for the 2 in the middle, because I want to combine it with just 1 leg in the middle, so 6 total legs instead of 8, I got the universal hardware. So 2 universal hardware, 4 Besta specific hardware. Besta specific hardware looks like this. We'll just screw in here. And I just have some floor protectors I'm going to put on all of them too. This is what the universal hardware looks like, and it comes with 4 screws. So as you can see, the leg will screw onto here. This will allow me to connect the 2 Besta units together so that it looks like one cohesive piece rather than 2.
That is it. Please let me know if you liked it in the comments below. And remember, I'm new here, so please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these. Thanks. Bye.